Find the equation of the tangent line. So that means that we need the derivative y prime. So take the derivative using implicit differentiation. To begin with, the derivative of x squared, that's just 2x. And then for this, we need to use the product rule. And I'm going to look at it as a 4x is one function, and then the y is the second function. So using the product rule, the derivative of 4x, that's just a 4, and then the y will just sit there. Next, just write down the 4x, and then take the derivative of y, which is y prime. Now move on to this y squared. So the derivative is going to be 2y, and then do the chain rule, take the derivative of y, which is y prime. On the right side, the derivative of 13 is equal to 0. Now we can plug in these numbers for x and y. So substitute a 2 for x and a 1 for y. And then we can solve for y prime. So this is a 4 and another 4, that's 8. So go ahead and subtract that, move it to the other side. So that would be 8, but when you move it over to the right side, it becomes negative 8. And then this is 8 with 2 more makes 10 times y prime. Or in other words, y prime is negative 8 divided by 10. And then either use the decimal form, 0.8, or use the fraction. Let's see, I think today I'm going to use the decimal. So this is the slope of the tangent line. And we already have the point, so we could use the point slope formula to find the equation of a line. Y minus the y value equals the slope times x minus the x value. And then go ahead and distribute that negative 0.8. So it's negative 0.8 times x, and then negative negative will be positive. And I know that 2 times 8 is 16, but then it's going to have a decimal right there. And you're right, there's only one step left. Add 1 to both sides. So the equation of the tangent line is going to be y equals negative 0.8x, and then this will be plus 2.6.